What's up, peeps? New lesson today. Just kind of make sure a couple things. Grades are posted. If you see something you don't agree with, just submit it, show it to me, and then I can update it. Sometimes I do get backloaded on the emails, but again, just kind of keep everything up to date. Check it. Let me know what you think. Here we go. You're going to need the note-taking sheet that looks like this. Fill in some things. I'll do a couple examples, and then we'll go from there. All right, I want to get off the screen for now. No, I won't. Yes, I will. And then we'll talk soon. Bye. All right, so here we go. Action. And we're live. All right, so finish editing. That's done editing. We are doing circumference and diameter and radius. All right, here we go. 8th grade. Let's begin. Title for today. Hopefully you guys were able to get outside yesterday over the weekend. Just kind of fill it in. Oh, these aren't filled in, so I'm going to have to fill them in now. So the blank is the distance from the center of the circle to the edge of the circle. That first one should be radius. So fill that in. I cannot do that, so fill that in. I guess we can go like this, a radius, right? It's only a couple things we're going to have to do. The next one is the blank is the distance from one edge of the circle through the center to the opposite end. That is a diameter. Killing it today with the handwriting. All right. Oh, my God. It's terrible. All right. Again, not refusing to buy a pencil to help me write. That is diameter, I think. Diameter. 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 All right. And then the formula. So since that's not how this is going to work, there is a formula that we're going to have to be working with. And I'll pause the video and just write it in. All right, we're back. I don't know. That took forever. But anyway, the distance, the radius, is the distance from the center of the circle to the edge. Diameter is the distance from one edge of the circle to the opposite side. So that is the full line, and that is the half line. So we're going to need to find that for today. This is supposed to be the divided by symbol. So, yeah, you could just write that in. Divided by 2. All right, I'm going to go to finish editing. Then I'm going to go back to where we were, and then we're going to kind of continue from there. So here we go. We are starting circumference of a circle again. And take 3. All right, so the radius, boom, boom, boom. Now, how do you find that? So I'm going to come back on screen over here. There I am. All right, so pretty much if I give you one, you're able to find the other. So here's the circle. I'm going to go over here to the right of my board. I'm going to turn that. So here's a circle. Again, so here's my circle, a line going through it. Now, there's my center. If it touches one side, goes through the center of the circle, this is the diameter. So in this case, this is 50 milliliters. So that means the D equals 50 mm, right? So then I said you could just find the radius by taking 50 mm and just dividing it by 2 to get 25 mm. Now, do you have to show that? No. But again, I just wanted to kind of show you how to find it. So the diameter, the D, is 50, and the, is 25. Got it? Over here, sliding, 17 on top of the screen. I don't know why I'm faded. All right, I'm just going to erase. All right, no. All right, I'll say thing. Now, in this case, okay. Now, I only have, according to the diagram, you only have one side that shows. Okay, I'm telling you that this side is 17 cm. Okay, so the radius, again, since it's just half, it's going from one side to the stopping in the middle. This is the radius, 17 cm. You don't have these problems on your paper, by the way. So you don't have to, I'm just trying to show you how to do it. And then this one I would just, in order to find the diameter, I just do 17 times 2 to get 34 cm. Please make sure you include the units when you're solving this. There. Got it? All right. Any questions? I can't answer them right now. So moving on to the next slide. And go. So these are 4 problems that you will be able to see. These are on your sheet. And then you're just going to help solve them. All right. So A, B, C, D. I think you can see the problems. I'll just draw a couple circles, I guess. You see that one? This one is one in the middle here. 5 mm's. This one here, going all the way through. 12 cm's. This one and this one. All right. This is 9 middle. 9 m's. This is 16 going all the way across. I think it's cm's. It's km's. I don't have my glasses, so whatever. All right. So R here. Again, this is radius. 5 mm's. In order to find the D, you just times it by 2. 5 times 2, 10 mm's. How did I get that? I just did 5, and I doubled it. Next one, radius is 16. That's the diameter, though. So that D is 16. The radius would be half. If I cut that in half, it would just be 16 divided by 2 equals 8 cm's. And that's a km. All right. Again, questions. Can't answer them, so going to move on. RD. When you're looking for this, the D diameter, I'm just going to say diameter for now on, 12 cm. Good. Good. Radius, 6 cm. Got it. Radius, half is 9. Diameter, 18. Cam. All right. Any questions? Okay. Moving on. All right. And action. So here we go. That is a disaster, but we're going to try to figure it out. So it says the circumference is the distance around the outside. All right. I'll put your base down right now. What do you want to do? Who? You want to show everybody your base? All right. Go ahead. What is it?
My bathing suit.
Okay. See you later. I mean, we're not going to wear this. They don't want to see this. All right.
This one. That's it. I will put the glasses. I will put your glasses in mine.
I got them.
No.
Okay. All right, don't break the glasses. All right, here we go. So the circumference is the distance around the outside. The circle, it's another word for the perimeter. So again, usually shapes, we look at the perimeter. And then the formula is the pi d. Pi times the diameter. For the case of, for the sake of this, pi d is, I'm sorry, I don't know why I keep saying that. Pi, we're using 3.14. So these two examples here that you do not have, I can move them. Perfect. And then these I can move down here. How you doing? This over here. And this over here. All right, so first circle here. All right. I got to go back to the big board. And then I'll pause it. And then we'll go from there. All right, here we go. Please don't lose my glasses. All right. So we have that. These are 4M. So I think it's helpful to list this out. See, pi, D, and then R. Do you need all these? No. Sometimes it's helpful to use it. But again, the formula that you need is C equals pi times the diameter. So that's the formula to find the circumference. So since I don't know that, that's going to be a question mark. Pi, I told you to use 3.14. Diameter is given to us, so I don't need the radius. So this is 4n. You want to just show me you know how to find it? Excellent. These problems not on your paper. I don't know if I said that. But anyway, here we go. So once all we have to do then is use these two. And it's 3.14 times 4. Got it? And the answer is, again, you're going to have a calculator out. I don't, so we'll say 1656, 1256, and then just make sure you bring your unit. So it's 12.56 meters. Got it? Next one's a little bit different. I think I could fit it here. Yep, looks good. This one is 11 feet. 11 feet. Sorry, again, same thing. C, pi, D, R. Do you have to write this? Yeah, in the beginning? Why not? Who cares? All right. P, C is pi D. I'm going to write the formula over again. Is circumference equals pi times diameter. Got it? C, I don't know. I'm going to find that 3.14 I'm telling you to use for pi. The D is now, since I only have the radius, I'm filling in 11 feet for the R. So be careful what you fill in. In order to find that diameter, I'm just going to times it by 2 to get 22 FTs, and then I solve. I'm out of space, so 314 times 22 equals, hey Google, what's 3.14 times 22?
The answer is 69.08.
6908, and then your units would be FT, feet. Got it? All right, I'm going to pause, kind of erase the board, and then you're going to come back. You're going to keep going with the next 4 that look like this. All right, we're back. I'm just going to kind of cut through as best I can for time's sake. I don't want to keep you, and I want you guys to go outside, play, get fresh air, do some other work. Again, fill in the work. Pi C equals pi D. I don't know what this is yet. This is the formula I'll use, though. I know pi is 314. I know the radius is not that. That's the diameter. That's 6 cm. The radius is 3 cm. So how do I find it? I use the pi and the D. 314 times 6 equals 1884. And then you take the data for the units with you. All right. Next one down here. Same thing, 9. All right. You don't want to see myself. All right. This is pi D. Again, pi is 314. 9 is the diameter. If you figure out the radius, it's 4.5. And then you just multiply. 314 times 9. Hey, Google, what's 314 times 9?
The answer is 2,826.
2,826, which is really 28.26. All right. And that's also going to be CMs. Over here, I think I can fit that one. This is 4. Again, choose your formula. Same formula. C equals pi D. Pi 314. D R. D is 4. That's 2. And then we just multiply, which would be 12.64. 16 would 56. 1256. And that's in meters. Please make sure you have your units. And that's it. Oh, there's one behind there. I can't see it. It's a 7. So here you go. You can't see it anyway. I don't want to show. All right. So this is 7 M's. Holy hell. I don't know. It's really fat. Pi is 314. D 7. R is 3.5. And then you do 7 times 3.5. This pi times D is 2135. Let's see. 5. Carry the 3. And that is... Hey, Google, what's 7 times 3.5?
The answer is 24.5.
24.5. And don't forget your units. All right. Lucky. Nope. The magic word is, I believe it's 6. The magic word is 6. So, again, I'll give you a spot on your answer sheet. The magic word is 6. All right. Make sure this doesn't take too long. I have no idea how long the video is, so if it's long, I'm sorry. Get outside, do this. It shouldn't take too long. Peace. I'll be on Wednesday at 11, from 11 o'clock to 12 o'clock to go over this. Period 1, you never show. Period 9, everybody's there. So figure that out.